Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Right, hope everyone's well. I'm heading off now into Salou, just leaving the apartment. Gonna have a walk down and see what's down there. Now, to be honest, I've got no idea. From what I've seen so far, a lot of places are closed, so it could be interesting. But I thought it's a good, it's a good contrast, isn't it, to see what it's like in closed season. So we're going to head down, going to have a little look, and we'll take it from there. So the apartment's about a 10-15 minute walk from the beach. Going to head down that way, across the promenade, and then see what we can find down there. Last night I was invited to a Spanish meal with a Spanish family. It was fantastic, but we mixed up the meals. We had a British meal, Macedonian, German, and Spanish, of course. So we started off with a British soup, which was broccoli and potato, which was banging. I'm not really a fan of broccoli, but this was really tasty. That was followed by paella, again delicious, and I think it's a bruca. It's like a flan. I'll check it out and find out what it was called. It was cheese and spinach and all that stuff. It was absolutely fantastic. And then a roulade, a chocolate and raspberry roulade. That was 36 hours ago and I've still not eaten because it was just so filling and so lovely. But anyway, enough of me rambling on. But if you're watching this, thank you ever so much for last night. It was a fantastic meal. I really appreciate it. And yeah, I'm still full. And just like that, we're at the beach. So yeah, 12 minutes walk if we want to be precise. Straight down, and here we go. As you can see, there's not many people about. It's very, very quiet. It's a bit windy, and it's not the warmest. Probably looking at about 10 degrees at the moment. But I mean, I'll take this any day over the weather we've been having in the UK. I think there's normally a cafe just over there. That's not here. There's normally 5 or 6 down here. There's just nothing. I know they're here in April. So April time, start of April, when your charter flights probably start coming over here. But as you can see, nothing going on. It's kind of nice, but it's kind of weird, and I'm possibly not selling the place to you. It would be completely different in the summer. This beach would be rammed. There'd be loads of cafes, cocktail bars, yeah, but it's maintenance time of the year in Salou. Here he is. It's my mate Jamie. Let's go up there. Oh, look. Ooh, it's a bit nippy. It's a bit nippy. There you go. February in Salou. So I decided to get myself a little treat, and I got some little Haribo. I think it's a muffin. Hang on. A muffin with a Nutella injection. I mean, should we give it a go? Oh, okay. It's just wrong, isn't it? After filling my muffin with Nutella, it was all right. You know, it's a novelty more than anything, to be honest. It was just a muffin with Nutella squeezed into it. But yeah, enjoyable. So I got some Haribo. I like the eggs. I've always been a fan of the eggs. What else we got? Anything else? Anything different? No, nothing different. Anyway, I might scran these and put them in my pocket. No. It's a bit Ferris Bueller, that is, isn't it? Would you like a gummy bear? They're all hot and sticky. They've been in my pocket. The one thing I've really got to stop doing is leaving it on slow-mo and talking for about 10 minutes to find I've not recorded anything. But as I was saying, in slow motion, as you can see, it's very quiet. There's hardly anyone here. Pretty much everywhere is closed down. But the reason I'm here is I just wanted to get away from the UK and the weather. It's miserable every day. It's grey, damp, just wet and foggy. So if you're willing to hop on a plane, come to Barcelona this time of year, it's going to take you an hour or two to get from Barcelona to here. Then you've got blue sky, sunshine, a beach, you've got some cafes. Yeah, I mean, it's really not that bad, is it, to be honest? It's just relax. It's all about the relaxing. Everywhere's shut. Everywhere's having maintenance done on it. Everywhere's getting ready for summer when it will look nothing like this. It'll be absolutely crowded with people. But I thought it's good to show you. It's a good contrast of seasons. A lot of you will be familiar with here. That is Lunatics, which again, completely closed. Another popular one here, which is the Rock and Grill. Again, completely empty. Nothing here. But there's a beach. Some of you might recognise this guy, Woody Woodpecker. Portaventura is just down the road. The apartment that I'm staying in is about 10 minutes away from there by taxi. You could walk if you wanted to. And there is the local buses that run up and down here. These are the fountains. Obviously they're not on. Again, a lot of you will be familiar with this section. Normally really busy. Loads of shops, loads of people, loads of kids, loads of people eating and drinking. And nothing is open. Absolutely nothing. Which does kind of surprise me, to be honest. I know it's February, but I did think some of these places would be open. Look at that, the Black Bull British pub. Empty. It's the first time I've ever seen it empty without a British bloke in there and a pint of Carling by 9:30 in the morning. Well, this is nice. I'm still not selling it to you, am I? You have to trust me. But I think it's good to see a bit of, you know, real world Spain. Although I'm not sure Salou's real world. But we're going to have a look anyway. Well, the park's open, so that's something. Not a very big park, small little park. It's got a cafe up there, some little kids, drunken adults, climbing frames, that sort of stuff. Yeah, there's the cafe. It's quite nice actually. Let's go and have a closer look. Here we go. Let's show you something a little bit prettier, shall we? Some fountains. That's more like it. See, it's not all graffiti and derelict shops, is it? And then there's the park. It's very little. And then there's some apartments up there as well. I don't think you're going to see the playground like this in the summer. I mean, it's just a ghost town. Which, if you're not a fan of people, you might love. I actually do have to admit, I am a little bit shocked. I thought somewhere would be open. If you watch my previous video, I was going to show you where to eat and drink. But at this moment in time, I'll be lucky if I find a sandwich. And this is the main strip. There's some music playing in there, so I've got to be careful. I'm just going to walk past. But this is the main strip. This is where everyone comes. This is where all the parties go on. This is where the nightlife is. Just look at it. Not a soul. Oh, 2 people down there. Yeah, Dead as a door now. So if you come in February, you can expect this. No shops open, no bars open, dead as a door now. Even the main supermarkets are closed, most of them. I guess that's kind of equivalent to, I don't know, Sainsbury's, Tesco, shut. Even KFC is closed. No Kentucky Fried Chicken today, or this month, or maybe next month. Never been in here, but I hear all about it all the time. I'm sure some of you, if you're watching this video, are a regular to Salou. You may have gone in there, I think a bit of karaoke. Yeah. So there you go. That's Salou in February. Everywhere is closed, including all the supermarkets, most of the shops. I'd say 95 to 98% of them. There's no bars on the beach, cafes on the beach. Everywhere is just shut, apart from the odd cafe. There's got to be a wine bar. There's got to be someone that's got wine. I'm in Spain. Because, what time is it? 25 to 2. So that to me says wine o'clock. But I'll finish off now with a few scenic shots. And I'll let you know where I end up next.
Do you know when it called love, when to become one? And I felt like a boom in your arms, I called home. Do you know when it called love, when to become one? And I felt like a boom in your arms, I called home. It feels like paradise when your hands are in mine. It feels like paradise.
Look at this. It really is not that bad, is it? I have no idea what the temperature's like back in UK, but I guarantee it's not this. And for a cheapish flight, a bus from Barcelona, I can end up with a bit of this, and I can promise you now it makes you feel a million times better than opening the curtains or blinds in the UK and seeing cold, miserable, damp, wet and windy grey skies and everybody completely fed up. So would I say do it? Yeah, I would. I'd say just do it. Just get away. Peace and quiet. Tranquility. Yeah, not many places are open. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter at all. Get out. Even if you do it for 2 days, it doesn't matter. Get out, get some sunshine, get away from the UK and enjoy yourself a little bit. You earn it. I see a toy shop. Let's go and have a look. What's it called? To Market. Oh cool, look, stay puff. Oh, it's closed. That's a gutter. Oh well. What they got? I want to pop in later, see what they get. I might get some little bits and bobs. I'll go back to the apartment and open something, but yeah, it's all the usual, isn't it? Harry Potter, Paw Patrol, Turtles, Bluey, Deadpool, Ghostbusters, Captain America, E.T. Pretty cool. I've got too much of this stuff, and I certainly don't need any more. Although, look at E.T. Oh, he's cool. Right, I'll pop in later because they're having their siesta and grab something. So the toy shop I went to earlier was closed. Everyone's on siesta. So I went back and I grabbed dragonballz Hippers. I don't know what it is. I think Okie dokie. There we go. So, we'll open it, we'll have a look what's inside it. Take it from there. The bag. They're all babies. Don't know how I feel about that, but that's why I got dragonballz ones. Open it up. Have a look. Right, okay. Are you ready for this? Here it is. Thin. Little blue. I haven't got my phone with me. But look. Basically, if you've got your mobile phone, that's going to knock it over. Put it on the back of your mobile phone, like this. That makes sense? I'm going to show, hang on, everything's blowing everywhere now. But yeah, it goes on the back of your mobile phone, so it appears over your phone like that. Look at him. So I got another one. Yes, I bought two. I think they were only like €4 each. Anyway, so it's just a bit of fun, isn't it? dragonballz. This one. Are you ready? Hang on, oh, everything's going to go away. It's Piccolo from dragonballz. With his little booty. Anyway, never grow up. Never grow up, and again, just goes on your phone. 2 seconds. It's fine. Yeah, so I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope I haven't put anybody off coming here, because it is a beautiful place. I'm very lucky. I have a beautiful apartment behind me. I have some Prosecco, and I've been very lucky with the weather. But if you want to get away from it all, come here. If you're not worried about bars, nightclubs, all that stuff, and you just want somewhere really nice to stay, bit of blue sunshine, yeah, do it. Just do it. Just book it. Watch this video. Go on to Jet2 or whatever. That's a good point. Well, I remember Jet2 pilot Tom. His name was Tom with a moustache from Jet2. He flew from Birmingham to Barcelona. One of the best captains I've ever had. Hilarious, top bloke. So if you're watching this, thank you. You made me really laugh. I'd also again like to thank my friends for inviting me to dinner last night. I now have enough food to last me this evening as well, which is fantastic. What we call a doggy bag in the UK. I have more paella. I have more tortillas. I've got soup. So thank you for watching my videos. I really appreciate that. Thank you. If you can, please like and subscribe. I promise you I'm getting there, and I can give you better content. I'd really appreciate that. Anyway, I'm off. I'm rambling. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Cheers.